Looks like it's going to be a hard day on the Australian share market after we saw the US stock market tumbling, with the major indices losing more than 3% overnight. There seems to be a number of concerns. One of those is the relations between the US and China, and especially around the ability to nut out a deal on trade, given the differing statements coming through from the two countries. The other key concern was around the yield curve, where we have seen the 3-year yields in the US surpassing that of the 5-year yield, so a slight inversion. Of course, the key one to be watching is the 2 and the 10-year yields, and that's not inverted yet, although that has narrowed to the lowest point that we've seen in a decade. So it looks like markets nervous that we could be seeing a slowdown in terms of the US and starting to even price in rate cuts in the US from around about 2020. It was the financials that was the worst hit, the financial sector losing more than 4% on concerns that what we are seeing in the yield curve will impact on margins. So we did see some big heavy falls in terms of some of those big financials. So financial stocks as a sector down by 4.4%, and the worst performing sector in the US overnight.